It's possible to change attributes after instantiation. So we have our my car instance. If we do dot and tab, we can look at all of these attributes. And these were set during instantiation. We also changed the mileage and the price after we drove it with the drive method. But you can also change it directly. So say you want a different color car, you can just use an assignment statement and assign it to a new string. And in fact, all of the attributes can be assigned like this. And now we have a new, a color attribute is assigned to a different value. And you can assign it to anything you want. It could be a list, it doesn't have to still be a string. There are ways to protect attributes from being assigned like this, but that is a much more complex part of classes, which we're not going to cover in this particular module, but that is possible. So if you're thinking like, oh, you can just overwrite the mileage or the price, well, you can right now, but you can create attributes in such a manner that they're not able to be mutated like this so easily. All right, so anyways, but for basic classes and instances, this is how you would change attributes after instantiation.